Linux Mint terminal tutorial covers some useful things to do in a Linux terminal. I will show how to open the terminal and enlarge the window. Also, how to enlarge the text in the terminal. And how to widen the text spacing. Also changing the text font. Then how to make the text bold. Plus copy text and paste it into the terminal. You can also click on Menu and up on Terminal icon. I will now show another way to open the terminal. I usually open the terminal by pressing on Ctrl plus Alt plus T. I then made a terminal window full screen. I needed to make the text bigger. You can make many changes to the text by clicking on Edit and Preferences. I wanted a larger, easy to read font. The quick brown fox shows the text appearance for each font. I clicked on plus twice and then on select. I pressed plus a few times to increase the cell spacing. Ignore command not found. You can now compare normal and bold text. Text in the terminal is now back to normal, so I closed the terminal. In description below is what I pasted into the terminal to bold and unbold the text, plus YouTube links to all my Linux video tutorials. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and forward the link to your Linux friends. And subscribe to be notified of future Linux Mint 1080 tutorials.